What lies at the heart of our home galaxy, the Milky Way? For centuries, humanity has gazed up at that shimmering band of light, wondering what's hidden in its center. Thick clouds of interstellar dust and gas block our view, creating a cosmic curtain. For most of human history, the galactic core was a secret locked away in the most crowded, chaotic neighborhood in our galaxy. Astronomers suspected something immense was there, an invisible force commanding hundreds of billions of stars. The density of stars and swirling gas all pointed to a central point of unimaginable gravitational power. Using radio waves and infrared light, astronomers began to map this hidden region. They found stars packed thousands of times more densely than in our own neighborhood, moving at incredible speeds around an unseen center. Something was conducting this high-speed celestial orchestra, a force so powerful it defied explanation. What could have enough mass to control these hyper-fast stars? It had to be massive, yet compact and invisible. The evidence pointed to something truly exotic, predicted by Einstein but never seen on this scale. Our galaxy, it turned out, was hiding a monster in its heart. Astronomers tracked the movements of bright stars in the S-cluster near the galactic center year after year. These stars weren't drifting. They were whipping around a single, empty point at breathtaking speeds. One star, S2, became famous for its tight, fast orbit, moving at over 7,000 kilometers per second. To keep a star moving that fast, the object it orbits must have a gravitational pull of staggering strength. By measuring S2's orbit, scientists calculated the mass of the unseen object, more than 4 million suns, all crushed into a single point. Yet when they looked, they saw nothing. No light, no star, just blackness. All that mass, all that power was completely invisible. They had found the source of the pull, but it was a ghost. A massive, powerful ghost controlling the fate of everything around it. The evidence was undeniable. Something dark and incredibly heavy lurked there. The cosmic dance had revealed its conductor. The heart of our galaxy was ruled by an invisible giant. The mystery was about to get a name. The discovery demanded a name, Sagittarius A*, pronounced A-star. It sits in the constellation Sagittarius, marked by a bright radio source. The asterisk, added by physicist Robert Brown, signaled excitement. This was no ordinary find. Sagittarius A** isn't just massive, it's tiny for its weight. 4 million suns worth of mass, squeezed into a region smaller than Mercury's orbit. Its gravity is so intense not even light can escape, the defining feature of a black hole. The event horizon marks the point of no return. Anything crossing it, star, dust, or light, vanishes forever. The confirmation of Sagittarius A** was a triumph. Moving supermassive black holes from theory to fact, we had found and named the invisible giant at the heart of our galaxy. For its size, Sagittarius A** is surprisingly quiet, a sleeping dragon at the galaxy's center. Most of the time it barely feeds, allowing the galaxy to evolve in peace, but sometimes a cloud of gas or a star strays too close. The black hole's gravity grabs it, spinning it into a glowing, superheated accretion disk. This disk can outshine billions of stars before vanishing across the event horizon. Astronomers have witnessed flares of X-ray and infrared light, brief eruptions as the dragon stirs. Occasionally powerful jets of plasma blast out from its poles, traveling thousands of light-years. These cycles of quiet and activity are fundamental to the black hole's existence. Evidence suggests Sagittarius A** was much more active in the past, leaving behind giant gamma-ray bubbles. Our sleeping dragon could awaken again, changing the face of our galaxy. Why does this matter? Gravity. Sagittarius. A** acts as a cosmic anchor for the Milky Way, shaping the structure and dynamics of the galactic core. It's the central point around which the galaxy, including our solar system, ultimately revolves. Without it, the heart of our galaxy would be far more chaotic. The black hole is a fundamental component of the galaxy's architecture, a seed around which the densest part grew. Galaxies and their central black holes grow together, shaping each other over billions of years. This discovery forced astronomers to rethink how galaxies form and evolve. And it's not just us. Nearly every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. They are a standard feature of the universe, a universal blueprint. Our galaxy's dark, powerful heart is just one among countless others.